To implement the talking theater with your client, select Manage Programs from the Create Programs section of the main menu. Select your client and enter their program list page. Select Add Program to List. Select the list to which you would like to add the material. In the program catalog, locate the template titled Tacting Actions Using Full Sentences. And click the checkmark icon to begin the assignment process. Arrange the targets to your preference. The talking theater is restricted to the discrete trial DAT. Set your preferred number of trials. UnitusTI will present that number of trials for each behavior taught by the talking theater: tacting actions in full sentences, filling in gender, and filling in actions. Choose your percentage correct for mastery criteria, and set your consecutive sessions. The number of concurrent targets must be equal to the number of trials. Add any additional notes and click Save. Then click Update Program List. When you return to the client's Manage Programs page, you will see that UnitusTI has automatically split the single program template into 3, allowing you to monitor and edit targets for each behavior individually. It should be noted that while the selected program targets for each behavior can be adjusted individually, editing the configuration for any of the 3 templates will apply those changes to all 3 templates. To launch Talking Theater, run the client's program list. Select the Action button on any of the 3 templates. By clicking Run this program, the material will launch in a new window. Be sure that any pop-up blockers are turned off to ensure that this step is completed successfully. Here in the main menu, you can access the Options menu to indicate if you would like to group the cards by character and action, which will result in the same gender and action being presented for each of the 3 behaviors before moving to the next target. Leaving this box unchecked will present each target for tacting, then filling in gender, then filling in action. Return to the main menu and then click Play. As the cards enter the screen, the cue for the instructor as to which behavior data is being collected for appears in the top left corner. As the client responds, simply press the appropriate data collection button here in the top right corner. The cards will automatically leave the screen upon data entry, and a new set will appear. When the last data point has been entered, you will be returned to the main screen. When you return to UnitusTI, you'll see that all 3 programs have been completed and closed. To review your client's data, click Program List Report in the main menu. Here you can review the raw data, as well as the daily graph to monitor progress. When mastery criteria is reached for the first set of targets, UnitusTI will automatically launch a probe in the next execution. It will pull the next set of targets and present them for one execution. If the client meets mastery criteria on the probe in a single execution, the program will be considered mastered.